So we have G, R, I, and M. I'm writing down the coordinates. So -4, just zoom in a little more. So we have -4, -5, -3, -3, -1, -1, and -2, -5. All right, so the first thing they told us to do was to you're translating 0 and then a +4. So we're going to take, so all of our x's are going to stay exactly the same. And all of our y's, we're going to add. So let me shift this up so I have a little more room. Okay, so we're going to take all of the y's and we're going to add 4. So we're taking all of these y's right here, boop, y's, and we're going to add 4. So -5 plus 4, -3 plus 4, and -1 plus 4, and -5 plus 4. So we had -1, 3. Let me try it one time. -5 plus 4, -3 plus 4, 1 plus 4, and -5 plus 4. All right, so we have -1, 1, 3, and -1. Okay, so that was our shift. Then the second thing they told us to do was to reflect over y equals 2. All right, so that means when y equals 2, all of your x's stay the same. All your y's are going to be a specific number. So all the x's stay exactly the same. So still -4, -3, -1, -2. And what you can do is you can take each one and just reflect over. But there's actually a pattern on how to find this one. And what you do is you take all the y's. The first thing you do is flip the sign. So I'll start with here. We're going to flip this sign. So -1, and so that turns into a +1. And then you add double of whatever this is. So we're going to add a +4. And we get 5. Okay, let's do this again. So we're going to change this sign. So that's it was +1, now it's -1, and we add double of whatever this is. And we have 3. Okay, we're going to change the sign. So a +3 is really now a -3. And we are going to add double of this, so add 4. See how we keep adding 4? So we keep changing the sign and adding double of whatever reflection line is. And then we have -1, so that's really a +1 now. And we're going to add double of this, which is +4. And we got 5. So these should be all of our answers. And is that what we got? Yes, it is. All these coordinates, they check out, so I know I did this right. Fabulous. Okay, so now the last thing they said to do, now that I know that I have this right, what was the transformations that we did was we translated and we reflected. Or you say translation and reflection. And what was a faster way to get from here to here? So what we did, a faster way to get from here to here is just to reflect. Now the question is, where is that reflection? So if I turn this sideways, you might be able to see this a little better. I'm going to erase this pencil line right here. All right, you need to find the middle of each of those points. So G is a straight line. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So half of 10 is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be this. R is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half of 6 is 3, which is right here. H is 2 hops away from the other H. So 1 hop. So this is one big line, right? So that's the reflection line. So smack dab in the middle. And notice that the G line to the reflection line is perpendicular. And now if I turn this back to normal, what was the name of that reflection line? That reflection line actually is the x-axis. So I can either say the x-axis, or because it, what did it smack? It smacked the y, so I could say y equals whatever it hit, which was 0. So both of those are the same answer. I can either say the x-axis or the y equals 0. So that is the single transformation. So reflected over the x-axis, which is the better answer. Excellent, and that is the answer to number 4. So hopefully that helped you guys out. Have a great and wonderful day.